Hi everyone, this is Tega here, and let's continue the Python series. So in the last class we have discussed about the our filter method. So today we'll discuss on map function and reduce function in Python. Okay. So first of all, we just want to know why we'll go for map function and all. Even though I will discuss also like map function and the filter function, what are the difference? Because in interview they can ask you for that question also. Okay. So first I'll just explain you what's the map function. Okay. So before that, going to that map function, I will just create a one normal function to get the square of two numbers. Okay. I mean, so square of we have one list. Okay, I'll do one thing. Yeah, first we'll take one list. Okay, in the list we have some element one comma like this. I have the normal variables I have. Okay, this is my list. Now what I will do, I will create one method that is we just need to get the square of the method. Okay, square means what I will do. Square means I'll write here some x, then I will write here x. Okay, x is enough. Then I will write here square means I will return here. Here you can write two things. You can write x star x also you can write, or else you can write this line also. Both will work. Some people they will be preferring this also you can work. Both will work for the square method. Okay, so now what I will need to do, we just need to use the map function. So map, I will write the map, then I will pass here. Map also take two things. One is the method, take the method that is square, then it will take the list L1. Okay, then we will typecast again, we will typecast in the list also. List only will typecast that method. Okay, then I will give store in some variables like result only. Then here we will print the result like this. We can print it the result, anything you can give as per your requirement. Here I'll print like a result like this. So now first we will see here. First I will execute this method. It's working fine, there is no error at all. Now I will execute this list. Its list also is fine. Now I will check this. Oh yeah, I got the square. You can see now the result is 1 4 9 16 25. I got the square of the numbers. Now if I want to use here instead of square, see I'm using this square method. I don't need that square. Directly in this place I just want to give the lambda functions. Can I use the lambda functions here? Of course I can use it. So what I will do here, I'll just paste from here only. I'll show you now here. Here I will use lambda. Lambda I will give, then I will use x, then I will use here column, then I will, now we will pass that expression x star x. Okay, the expression I'll just pass it. Now I will check. See, I got the same output with the same itself also, same output. We can go now. I'll do one thing. Before going to the reduce function, I would like to show you one difference. Sometimes some people will, they will be thinking like, what's the difference between this lambda and I mean this map function and filter function. They'll be thinking it's the same. It's not a same. Okay, I'll do one thing. We will take that example also. I'll show you differentiation. In this you see one thing. Okay, I'll take one method like mm, I'll take one list like list L1. In that list will pass some flat number 10 comma 20 comma pass 31 comma uh, 33 comma, and they'll pass like 24 like this. Will pass some items. Now what I will do here, directly I'll just take here. Now I'll show you. First I'm showing the difference between filter and filter and map method. Okay, map method. So we should know in interview they may ask you this kind of question. Okay, so here I'm taking the filter method. Okay, so in the filter method what I will do here, I'll write filter here. Okay, the filter method, and what we need, I just need a even numbers. Okay, so for the even numbers what I will do, x modulus 2 equal to 0. Okay, now you see my output, what I will get output here first. Okay, I'll show you here. uh, okay, I'll show you here. You can see I got my even numbers. Even numbers in this, in where in filter method you got the even numbers. The same thing if I'll apply for this map function, then what happens, you see same thing I will apply for the map. This is for filter, right? Okay, you can see here you write for filter. This is for filter. This is for filter. Sorry, this is for filter, and this is for map. You can see this is for map. Okay, so now map, what I will do here, same thing, I'll just replace with the map. Now you see the output, what we get in the output. Okay, now you see what I got in the output. We got in the like true. If it is true means yes, it is true means it's even, false means not even, false means not even, true means even. Okay, now I'll go with the reduce method. Okay, so in this reduce method, what I will do here, okay, for that reduce, we'll go for that reduce method. Reduce means the method means we need to call in this, yeah, in the reduce method. What we'll do here in this reduce method, first of all, we just need to call one thing like yeah, first of all, I would like to say, for example, if I have like reduce method, in the reduce method also always take two things. Okay, and one more thing I would like to say in the reduce, what we will do here, reduce in the sense, okay, if we have one list, okay, I have one list, like in the list I have some element 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, like this I have the 5 elements I have in the list. We just need to add the elements. I just need all the elements, and my output should be like 15. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 6 4 and 15, my output should be 15. So it will take also two elements. Okay, so here what we will do here, first of all, I'll just pass the method here, adding the two numbers. Okay, I'll show you with the uh, first I will show you. Okay, this is result. Then I will show you two. For example, I will create one method like add two numbers. Then you will pass here L1. Okay, then I'll show you here like print. Okay, I'll just take this line itself only. Okay, so here I will just take this line, and I'll show you one thing here. First, you see this line. I'll take one method reduce here. Okay, we'll take method like def. Def. I'll take two numbers. I just want two numbers at x comma y. We can take the two numbers. We cannot. So I'll return here. Return here. X plus y. X plus y. I can go like this. I can use this method. But before going this method, we should know always. We should import this reduce. We cannot go directly. So we need to use from func tool. We have one is func tool. Func tool and import reduce. We need to import the reduce directly. We cannot use the reduce here because it will not work at all. So first I will execute this on tool, then then I will go for this method. Okay, then what I will do here, then we will go for, I will execute this list, then I will call this method. Okay, then I will execute this. See, I got the output is 15. You can see output is 15. Now what I will do here, instead of using this function, I can comment it. Okay, then I will do one thing. I'll, in the place of add I will use that lambda. Okay, just I'll remove that space. Okay, okay, that remove the space. Okay, little bit space. I'll go for this lambda here. So write lambda, then I'll write x. Or and one more thing, we have two variables that I'll say x comma y, then colon, then I'll write here x plus y. Like this we can use. Now I'll again we can go for the func tool, and I'm using this my list. This is my list, and this is my, okay, I got the output. If you know if you have another list, for example, if you have another list two, the list two, if you have like this. Okay, so now what I will do here, I'll pass like 10 comma 20 comma 22 comma 31 comma 45, whatever the value you have. You just want to get that value. What you will do here, you just pass it here, and now I will execute this list. Then I will execute these two lines. See, I got is 128 my output. Like this can get the output 128. I got the output. Like this we can use the map reduce filter, even though it's very important for map function and the filter function differentiation we should know, because sometimes in interview they can ask you for the difference. In this map, in the filter means it will just display the condition, whichever the condition satisfies, it will display that output only. But in map, it will display each and everything, whether it's false or true. It will show you both the conditions. That we should know. This is the main difference in between these two things we should know. Okay, this much only in this session. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.